Hi, I'm Dave Purdy, founding partner of Wealth Management Midwest. Welcome to February. Attached to this short video is our February market commentary. And I just kind of wanted to kick off on a couple things. Number one, here in Forest Lake, Minnesota, where we are, it's been brutally cold this last month. I mean, I'll tell you, it's been tough. And so today is the first day of a little bit warmer weather. But talking a little bit about the markets, kind of the big news that came out recently was the nomination of a new Fed chair, this Kevin Warsh, and that could be positive in a lot of ways. But the big ways is what they're saying is he's going to be a little bit more likely to lower interest rates, maybe a couple times this next year. And remember, the stock market and economy like lower rates because lower rates mean possibly lower mortgages, lower car loans, lower debt for companies. So that's really, really positive. And then another positive thing is we're still waiting for the earnings to come out for the fourth quarter. However, they're forecasted to be the fifth consecutive quarter of double-digit earnings growth. Now, the fifth consecutive quarter of double-digit earnings growth. It's amazing, really. And so when these companies earn all this money, it's positive for the markets. Now, yes, we still have a lot of headwinds. I mean, you just watch the nightly news, but most of that stuff is just today, tomorrow, next week. Really what we want to be concerned on is unemployment, which is still relatively low. A lot of people have a lot of cash in the bank. Now, it's not divided evenly, but there's a lot of cash. Number three, companies are earning money, which is very, very, very positive. And if you look at the foreclosure and personal bankruptcy rate, that's very low now. I mean, how many times have you heard somebody getting foreclosed on? And then lastly, Chad and I are meeting with clients every day, and a lot of these clients have businesses. And I would say that when we're meeting with these businesses, most of the business owners are doing pretty well. Now, are they knocking it out of the park? Is it crazy great? No, it isn't, but they're making money, they're selling inventory, they're doing pretty well. So I think going forward, I think our outlook is fairly positive. Now, the stock market can have drawdowns at any time. It's totally normal, totally natural. And by the way, if you've seen the precious metals market like gold and silver, it's been extremely volatile to the downside. You look at Bitcoin since last October to today, it's been really, really to the downside. We've got headwinds, but all in all, we're fairly positive. And if you have any questions, please give us a call.